Bluey was digging in the garden when her paw hit something soft. She pulled hard, and out came an old dusty rabbit doll. Her eyes widened huge, her breath catching sharp. Could this forgotten toy hide a mystery? Bingo rushed over curious, while Bluey, "Where did you find that?" The rabbit's button eyes seemed to sparkle faint in the sunlight. Bluey hugged it close, and suddenly the doll's ears twitched. Bingo squealed loud, backing away quick. Could the doll be alive? Bandit stepped onto the porch, frowning puzzled. "What's going on out here?" he asked. Chilli peeked behind him, her eyes widening as the doll's paw lifted slow. Bluey gasped thrilled. It moved. It really moved. Could their yard be hiding magic right under their noses? The doll hopped from Bluey's arms, landing soft in the grass. It turned its head, ears flopping, then dashed quick toward the trees. Bluey shouted, "After it!" Bingo followed screaming, Bandit dropped his paper, Chilli ran with them determined. Could they catch the mysterious rabbit? Through the bushes the chase grew wild. The doll leapt impossible high, dodging branches, vanishing, reappearing. Bluey pushed forward fearless, Bingo stumbled but kept up brave. Bandit huffed, "This is madness," yet he still sprinted. Could they ever corner the hopping toy? Muffin and Socks joined the run, Muffin wielding a butterfly net, Socks barking excited. "We'll catch it!" Muffin yelled fierce. The doll bounced higher, almost flying. Suddenly it landed before a hollow log glowing faint with light. Could this be its secret home? Bluey crept closer slow, heart thumping hard. She whispered, "Don't be scared, little bunny." The doll tilted its head, then hopped into her arms willingly. It blinked once, soft glow fading, returning still like an ordinary toy. Bingo gasped, "It's just a doll now." Could the magic truly vanish that quick? Everyone laughed with relief, though Bluey held the doll tight, eyes sparkling. "Even if it's just a toy, it's my special rabbit now," she declared. And hey, if this magical chase made you smile, hit like, subscribe, and join us for the next wild adventure with Bluey and friends.